'Cause sitting in and lying down are ways to take a stand. Every son of song for freedom, for hearts that may lie. And again to jail for justice, and you're a friend of mine. You law-abiding citizens, come listen to this song. Laws are made by people, and people can be wrong. Once unions were against the law, and slavery was fine. Women were denied the vote, while children were denied. The more you study history, the less you can deny it. A rotten law stays on the books till those with guts get riot. Have you been to jail for justice? I want to shake your hand. 'Cause sitting in and lying down are ways to take a stand. Have you sung a song for freedom or marched that picket line? Have you been to jail for justice? Then you're a friend of mine. The law's supposed to serve us, and so are the police. When the system fails, it's up to us to speak our piece. We must be ever vigilant for justice to prevail. So get courage.